name is Nurjahan Khatun. My father's name Hamidul Sheikh, village Chichuvia.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Madam Khatun. My father name is Kazim Ali Sheikh, village Bagunda.
আজকে বার্ষিক অনুষ্ঠানে আমি আমার সহপাঠীকে কিছু প্রশ্নোত্তর করতে চলেছি ইনশাআল্লাহ।
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহি ওয়া বারাকাতুহু।
What is your name?
My name is Nurjahan Khatun. What is your name?
My name is Madam Khatun.
Oh, beautiful name. Where do you live?
I live at Bagunda.
Nice place.
Where do you live?
I live in Chichuvia.
MashaAllah, that is nice place.
Which class do you read in?
I read in class 2.
Also read in class 2.
Which school do you read in?
I read in girls school.
Which subject do you like most?
English I like most.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.